This is the biggest gift, greatest gift you can give them. If your parents, father or mother, above 60, alive, if you are from India, you will even have grandparents alive. Because I have seen my great-grandparents. I have seen my great-grandmother, my mother's mother's mother. So it is usually in India, especially in Indian villages. So you may even have a grandparents who are above 60. Please listen. This is the greatest gift you can give to your parents, because they don't even need to understand language. Sometimes you may say, oh, they understand only Telugu, they understand only English, they understand only Hindi, they understand only Tamil. How will they do the program? They don't need to understand, because it is a Shivoham process. It is Shivoham process. They don't even need to understand. It is just straight transmission of energy. Second, they may not, people tell me, complain, oh Swamiji, I want my parents to attend IA, but they won't be able to do all the process. Their health does not permit. Here I am telling you, Varanasi, they don't need to do any process. Let them sit and receive the gift of Shivoham. Third, why Varanasi? That is the place to prepare somebody for the higher journey when they leave the body. That's a place for liberation. So I tell you, first thing, if you decide and you are able to convince your parents, just file the intention, money, time, everything will appear. Everything will appear. Don't worry. There won't be any obstacle. See, in Tamil there is a proverb, there is a saying, a beautiful verse. Avanarulale avantal vanangi, means only with His grace you can even bow down to Him. You can even worship Him. So I am telling you, only with my grace you can even attend inner awakening. I am showering my grace. File the intention. File the intention. You move just your small toys to be with me. I'll move the mountains for you to be with me. I'll move the planets for you to be with me. So understand, this is the biggest gift you will give for your parents and grandparents. So, and one more thing, the arrangements are such, even if they are elderly, if they are not that too well to do any process, don't worry. Just attending Shivoham process, that is enough. See, the Varanasi inner awakening is going to be both I'm going to speak on Kathopanishad, death process, in the morning satsang. Second, there will be classes on completion, all that, pranayama, kriya, everything. And then there will be Shivoham process. Your parents, if they are not able to, they don't need to go through the kriyas, but they can sit in the Shivoham process and just receive the gift of Shivoham experience, highest experience of consciousness, and greatest gift you can give it to your parents. Actually, you can't give. It's only Master can give. It's the greatest gift you can receive from the Master and give it to them. Or it's the greatest gift you can make them receive from the Master. So don't miss anybody who has parents above 60 or grandparents alive. See to it they are there in the Varanasi Inner Awakening in May. Understand? Varanasi is the place for learning, experiencing, preparing yourself for a journey of enlightenment and to move beyond death. And I can also assure anyone who attends Varanasi IA will have painless death. They will have painless death, and I'll see to it they are liberated. Understand? Just fill the intention form. You will see everything follows. Everything happens, and we are making the whole Varanasi Inner Awakening elders friendly. Means making wheelchairs available, making as much as possible elders friendly. The earlier you send the intention and do the registration, you will get the place to stay inside the hotel where the program is happening, and we will make the Varanasi IA as elders friendly. With all our efforts,